I am on Vector Studio, and now let's select the shape tool, left click, select the rectangle. I'm going to create a rectangle. I'm going to remove the fill, so left click here, click on this icon here, and then click on this icon to remove the fill. I'm going to add the 1 point outline, double click here, type 1, press enter. Now I'm going to change the size of the rectangle. Select the transform tab down here. If you don't have it, go to Window, General, and then check the transform. I'm going to change the width here to 1000, double click, type 1000, press enter. I'm going to change the height to 150, double click here, type 150, press enter. And now let's select the move tool, and now I'm just going to center it. So here it is, as you can see it snaps. And now click on the gear icon here, left click on it, check the enable transform origin. So here's the central point here of the shape. I'm going to left click on it and then move it up. Make sure to move it on a straight line. So I'm going to move it up here like this to this distance, and now press enter. And now I'm going to check the duplicate, change the number of copies to 2, double click, type 2. I'm going to change the rotation to 120, double click, type 120, and then press enter. So as you can see, it formed the triangle. So now I'm just going to click OK. So now I'm going to select all the shapes. I'm just going to drag over them with the move tool. Now let's select the shape builder, select shape builder. The action here, I'm just going to change it to the minus icon here to delete selected areas from objects. Drag method is freehand, the cleanup is none. I check the use style from selected area, and now I'm just going to click on this part here, click on this part, on this part, on this part, on this part, and at last on this part. So now we have our triangle shape. So now I just need to combine some of the shapes here. So I just need to change the action from delete selected areas to create a new shape from selected areas. I'm going to check the plus here, and now I'm going to select these two shapes here. I'm just going to drag over them. So here it is, and now I'm going to drag over these two to combine them, and then over these two here to combine them. So now as you can see from the layers tab here, we have three shapes, this one, and this one. So now I'm going to select the contour tool, left click here, select contour. I'm going to select this top node here, I'm just going to select it. And now hold shift key down to select multiple points here, multiple nodes. Hold shift key down and then select this one and this one. So now I'm just going to hold shift key down and then select them. So here it is, and now I'm just going to drag them inside like this. So now as you can see, our triangle doesn't have pointed edges, it's rounded. So now I'm just going to select the move tool. So now Ctrl J to duplicate all these shapes here. So we have 3 layers. So press Ctrl J to duplicate them. So here it is, as you can see, we have duplicated layers selected. So here are the original layers. So now as you can see, I am on the move tool. I'm just going to left click outside to deselect all the shapes. And now let's select the contour tool again, left click. I'm going to left click on this shape here. So as you can see, it's selected the duplicated one. I'm just going to select this node here. I'm just going to bring it down like this. So here it is. And now I'm just going to left click on the outline here to select this shape. So here it is. And now I'm just going to move this node here to the inside like this. So I'm just going to select it, and then I'm just going to move it to the inside. And now I'm just going to left click on this shape here on the outline. And then I'm just going to select this node here. I'm just going to select it and then bring it to the inside. So here it is. And now I'm just going to select the move tool. I'm going to select all the shapes here. So here it is, as you can see, all my layers are selected. And now let's select the shape builder tool, left click, select shape builder. Make sure the action here is plus to create a new shape from selected areas. Drag method freehand, cleanup none. I check the use style from selected areas. And now I'm just going to combine my shapes here. I'm going to start from here and then combine these two. So here it is. And then I will combine these two here. I'm just going to left click and then drag. I'm going to do it again. So here it is, they are combined. And now this is the last shape. I'm just going to drag. Let's do it again. So here it is. Now as you can see, we have 3 layers. And now let's select the move tool. I'm going to left click outside to deselect. And now we just need to add some colors here to these shapes. So I'm going to select this one here. Left click on it. I'm going to select the fill tool. Left click, select fill tool. The context is fill. I'm going to change the type here from none to linear. I'm going to move this handle here down here like this. I'm going to change it to black. And this one here, I'm going to move it up and then change it to red. And now I'm just going to select the next shape here from the layers tab. I'm going to select on this one. And now as you can see, I am on the fill tool. So the context is fill. I'm just going to change the type from none to linear. Now I'm going to move this point here, this handle here, to the top. I'm going to change it to black. And then I'm going to move this handle here down. I'm going to change it to a blue color like this. And now I'm going to select my last shape, this one here from the layers tab, this one. I am still on the fill tool. I'm just going to change the type here to linear. So now I'm just going to move this handle here. I'm going to change it to black. And then for this one, I'm going to left click. I'm going to change it to green. Now I'm going to select the move tool. I'm going to select all shapes. Click on group. I'm going to remove the outline. I'm just going to left click here. And then so here it is. You can increase. I'm going to decrease it. And now let's select the contour tool. Left click. I'm just going to add the 0.5 radius. Press enter. So here it is.